Today is Friday. A typical Friday for me is to make coffee to my friends. My friends come to my house every Friday. Now I make coffee to my friends. They like Arabian coffee. Arabian coffee is a strong kind of coffee. This coffee is prepared and packaged in Turkey, but I think the one I make right now is made in Jordan. I like coffee. Coffee makes me awake. Coffee has caffeine. Coffee now is ready to be served. I serve coffee in cups. I boil coffee. When the coffee is boiled and you're not paying attention, it gets spilled. Now the coffee is ready. I will serve the coffee to my friends. I only have 2 friends coming over for the visit. We usually enjoy our night by drinking coffee, talking about religion, politics, philosophy, and sometimes we end our night with watching a documentary or a movie, such as Shawshank Redemption. How about you? How do you spend your weekend? What do you do on weekends? What kind of activities do you do on weekends? Have a wonderful weekend. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.